Hi guys, good morning. This is Anne, the greatest chef in the world, in all universe, and today I'm going to prepare my dish. I want to eat some adobo, but I will make adobo without soy sauce. Okay, I'll show you. So I'm now in my kitchen. I'm alone here. If you see someone's out there, for sure it's a ghost because I'm alone here. Okay. So this is my kitchen and this is my white adobo. Today I'm using my electric stove because there is no cylinder available in the store. So I'm thankful that I have electric stove just in case of emergency like this. So anyway, I'm now in my kitchen, my favorite place in my house. So this is my oven, my oven and my microwave oven. I have two ovens, and also at the same time I have this gas range with oven, but I'm not using oven here because I don't have cylinder. Okay, so guys, this adobo is very tasty and yummy for sure, and it's good for health. Usually I don't use any oil except olive oil or coconut oil, so it's good for health, but it's quite expensive. So anyway, it's up to you what oil you are using, but for me I'm using olive oil. So let's see later. See, this is how it looks like, my adobo, and later I will show you the outcome or the finished product of my white adobo, and then let's see how it tastes like. Okay guys, see you later. So guys, while I'm waiting my adobo, I'm going to fix my room. See, it's so messy because I just woke up. So I need to put my laundry to my washing machine. Okay, this is my washing machine. So I'll just put like that. Okay, and later I will open it once I'm done cooking because I only have one socket, and now I'm using my socket for my electric stove. And this is one, I don't know what do you call this one. This is where I put or I hang my laundry after washing machine. Okay, so while I'm waiting my adobo, usually I'm watching Netflix, but now see how messy my room. See, because I woke up late because really I'm having problem to sleep. I woke up, I think I woke up 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I sleep back at 6:30. So I woke up late, and as soon as I woke up I need to prepare my dish, or else I will die. You know, I can't live without food. And so later I will fix my bed later. So now I'm going to watch my Netflix. Who's at my back? Oh, my G. These two things are the most important thing to me because they are my bodyguards. How is it? See you later. So look at that, guys. My adobo. How wonderful it is. You see? By the way, I put a little bit oyster sauce. Not too much. Just a little bit. Like 1 tablespoon. See how wonderful it is. It looks so yummy. So this is it, guys. We're going to taste the finished product of my white adobo. Okay, so I'm excited. OMG, really. I really love myself for being the best chef in the world, in all universe. I'm so talented. Really, I'm proud to myself. I don't know why I'm so talented when it comes in cooking career. Guys, for sure you will love it too. I almost forget my name, and maybe if you eat this, you will forget your name too. So thank you guys for watching, and let's have some coffee. So that's for now. Thank you. Bye.